pretending. And I started free swimming. I knew you too. And just as the wrong name, you were too shy, but you weren't the only one, so was I. And I dreamed that you ever did. Now I build up my cover and next time you come my way, I know that's what to say. Can we talk?
Packing the mail is gone. Yeah, I just ordered this yesterday. Of course, I one day shipped it, and it's here. Oh, sorry, nips. Look, it's here already. I can't show y'all the other side because it got my address on it, but just know I might do a little fashion overhaul. I'll let y'all know. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, what's up? I'm about to get I just worked hard today and cleaned up, and I got my package from Fashion Nova, as y'all seen earlier. I'm so country, that's that southern shit. Earlier. But yeah, I'm not recording it my lash day because y'all last time I tried to record it lash day. Bitch. No ma'am, bitch. I had glue in my eyes. They was boiling, bitch. No ma'am. Let me go ahead and y'all see how smooth I did this? I gotta take my head off because you know she gonna be in my face. So I brought my scarf. Yeah, I know my hair ain't done, but I still ain't found about to do me no motherfucking braids. Whew. I don't know what your girl gonna do. I got a pool party to go to Saturday. I'm not getting in the water because I'm not trying to get wet, especially if I know my hair ain't gonna be done because I ain't gonna find nobody. It's cool, it's cool. But yeah, y'all, let me roll up in this lash appointment. I'll see y'all when I return. Hey y'all, we just gonna cut that to the bait because the show is about the lashes. She did the damn thing. Now I just look stupid as hell with no hair doing a face for the lashes. But I like to wake up every day pretty as fuck. Y'all. Cause we all just don't wanna be big rock stars and live in little townhouses driving 15 cars. The girls come easy and the drugs come cheap. We'll all stay skinny cause we just won't eat. Excuse me. Did you really say that while I was recording? The disrespect. What's wrong with my outfit? What's wrong with my outfit? What is wrong with my outfit?
Girl, a lot.
What's wrong with my outfit?
This one's like, well, I waiting on you to eat. Girl, no. I was in the bed talking to tape.
Well, ma'am, I just asked a question. Y'all see how she better be glad that hoe is inappropriate because I will put her ass on camera right now. That's the only reason why y'all I ain't flipped the camera around yet because this hoe look like motherfucking
Scully. That's a great token.
Yeah. It's a mess.
But it's okay because I'm about to transform to a bad bitch.
It's a mess, y'all. It's a mess, okay? It's a mess. But y'all, tonight I'm eating some grilled Caesar salad. I got this from Sprouts. So yeah, I'm about to pop this thing open. Pop this whole thing open.
She's talking about, and it's good over here. Money good over here.
This is a salad, y'all. Little salad. Little salad. We're gonna do a taste test on camera, y'all. I know I gotta give y'all a little. Y'all know my salads be slapping, boy. I'm trying to take my salads and my sandwiches, y'all. Ooh, I ain't make no sandwiches in so long, y'all. What the hell? I ain't made sandwiches since I first moved.
Can you hand me the pepper?
Just fine. That's fine. Look at the little head over there. Got him hot.
Now I said the cat.
Look at the little head over there. Got him hot. Got him hot. Y'all heard me. Alright, I'm about to eat and go to sleep because I'm tired. Hey y'all, it is Thursday. I'm at my
Pass a tip for Caleb Jones.
the disrespect. But I'm at my nephew's football game. $2.95 by the expressway, y'all. So we be hearing all kind of stuff. It's we're in the second half, in the third quarter, 5 minutes left. It's almost over. I'm ready for it too, because the sun been tearing me up today, y'all. So I'll probably see y'all when I'm leaving. It's the lashes for me.
You know you're nasty. Don't go right at my house, you caught a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. You know you're nasty. Don't go right at my house, you caught a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding.
Everybody, Martin, Poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body. Let me see you 1, 2 step. Automatic, supersonic. Everybody, Martin, Poppy came to party. Grab.
Y'all, the fact that I just did the motherfucking race to get this, what I'm about to show y'all. If you know, then you know. That's all I'm saying. If you know, you know. Look what I finally got my hands on. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. The cinnamon roll butter gloss by NYX. Y'all know this was like popping, I think, in 2018. Because I tried to get my hands on it in 2018, y'all. baby, could not. It was done. So I got my hands on it tonight at Target, and I got 2 of them things, y'all. 2 of them, okay? I was not playing. And then I just watched Sharika vlog, and she said she loved it. She was like, this is one of her new favorites. But I've been heard good things. Like, this thing got so many good reviews when it last time it came out, but they discontinued it. Like, soon as it got like popular, they discontinued it, and they brought it back out. So y'all know I'm gonna try it out. Now if it's the good stuff, baby, I'm finna go to every Target, every Ulta, get me 2 from each one until I'm stocked up, okay? Cause we is not missing out, honey. We not. So let's try it on camera. Okay though, I'm gonna change one day. Let's see. Oh my gosh, y'all, and it's smooth like butter. Wow. This is definitely a good buy. This is a good purchase, and it's a good nude, like, and it smells amazing. I just need some lip liner. Definitely need some lip liner. I got a chocolate lip liner I'm gonna try with it, but y'all, this some good stuff. Honestly, it's worth the buy. It's only $5. That's it. Come up to $5.34, I think. But y'all, let me take this off because I'm about to eat. I just wanted to try it on for the camera. Like, the camera does no justice. Like I said, we just need a little lip liner, because honestly, putting on like gloss and stuff without lip liner, unless it's clear, it's a big no-no. But this looks so good on me. I can see me wearing this. Oh, and I got this all chocolate outfit. I'm gonna be popping out in Vegas. Now this is me, like, I didn't even take it off all the way. I just like blotched it. I'll be back, y'all. If I don't see y'all tonight, just know I'm tired. I went to sleep, and I'm tired. I went to sleep. I see you tomorrow because I'm going to a pool party tomorrow, so it's gonna be a little lit or whatever. Got some little things popping off. I might try to find me something for dinner because I'm starving. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Yeah, this is the pool outfit of the day. Y'all done seen this top several times, but y'all ripped it, so now I'm just using it as a cover up. This is my top. Yes, I have on a 2-piece because I can't pose in the mirror for nothing. But yeah, y'all, this is my outfit. Follow me on the ground for pictures. Glasses are from the Key collection. Go shop, because we got the summer accessories that you need. Okay, period. Go get your glasses from the Key collection.
What the fuck going on? But William moving and shit. I said, what you mean? She talking about, girl, because every time I try to let down the window and smoke a beat, he flying and shit. She talking about, I'm going to just put him in your purse, okay?
Ooh, where he at? Up here? Up here?
Right.
I cannot.
She talking about, she going to put him in my purse.
I'm still like,
Yeah, so we finally made it to the pool party.
pool party.
To the function. I'm sorry, y'all. I just took a little shot and it was a little strong.
Girl, you been took that shot.
It's still lingering in my chest.
Oh, my eye.
Oh, y'all, I swear.
Baby, you in my business? Don't do big. No decorations. Y'all say happy birthday to Ebony. Yeah. I do YouTube. Y'all, look at the decorations. This is so cute. She really did her thing. But check out the birthday girl. Yes. It's giving Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Period. gonna show what I got my dude say. I'm gonna have to have I'm gonna ask you for the internet. I'm like, let me know what this is on the net. And that's that. They're like, whatever you want.
Ebony, I want one of these cameras. Yeah, I need that camera now. Yeah, I'm about to take a shot. I forgot my top on, so I'm just trying to
Y'all, now this, ooh, honey, it's the tuna macaroni and the double eggs for me. Like, everything looks good. When I do my dance, money fight, these niggas throwing beans. JT, I ain't playing. Look, bitch, I don't want your me.
We're gonna say salute. It's your motherfucking birthday, nigga. 1, 2, 3.
Y'all, we're going to Live Bar. We about to get ratchet. What you doing? Say hey to my vlog. Hey y'all. We finna get fucked up tonight. I'm already fucked up, but we finna get fucked up tonight. It's Gemini season. Turn up, friend. It's your birthday. Ebony. We finna get ratchet. It's not a picture, it's a video.
At this point, it's over.
We're finna go get ratchet somewhere else.
No, seriously. Ratchet.
We going out with a bang, we ain't going in. Outfit change, McQueen Skims, and biker shorts.
One piece. At
okay, y'all. So we ended up not making it out last night. Man down. I woke up 3 o'clock in the morning, still drunk. Okay, didn't make it out. But I just wanted to show y'all my TikTok pickles, because I'm about to eat one on camera, and then this is the last y'all gonna see of this vlog, and then I'm starting a new vlog. So here's how they look. And I'm gonna eat one on camera.
You know you're nasty. Don't go right in my house, you caught a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding.
She want to stay early in the morning. Should be the one for me. Go ahead, girl. I'm waiting on you. This your part.
Ooh, that's good.
What they taste like?
Yeah, I was about to say what they taste like.
Huh?
Oh, it's good.
Girl, these my $30.
Why am I not? Oh, I can't really hear it.
Why did I?
Hey, Bree, bring me. Can I have that you say? Look at her. Look.
All right, y'all.
Look at my hand.
That was good. Really good.
Yeah, Bree.
I recommend going there.